Ready to rumble in the world of email marketing? Let's pit Sendfox versus Mailchimp to see which platform delivers the knockout punch for your business. First up, Sendfox. Known for its straightforward interface and powerful automation, Sendfox is perfect for creators and small businesses. Notice how easy it is to schedule emails and set up automated sequences. Now, let's step into Mailchimp's arena. Packed with features, including advanced analytics, segmentation, and website integration, Mailchimp caters to businesses of all sizes seeking robust marketing solutions. See all those advanced segmentation options. Feature showdown. Sendfox excels at ease of use and automation, while Mailchimp offers a wider range of functionalities. Choose based on your complexity requirements. Are you looking for easy and simple, or something complex with a lot of features? Let's talk money. Sendfox often comes with lifetime deals, making it budget-friendly. Mailchimp's pricing can climb rapidly as your subscriber list grows. The right choice depends on your budget and audience size. Suitability Check. Sendfox is a great fit for bloggers and YouTubers, while Mailchimp is often favored by e-commerce stores and larger organizations. What category do you fall in? So, who wins? It depends on your needs. Is simplicity and price point key, or feature-rich platform is more important to you? Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing insights. Links to both platforms are in the description.